Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 8 best RC cars under $100, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 8 RC cars under $100. Number 1. Toza C1142 RC Car Common Swift. Surprise your friends with one of the swiftest RC cars you'll ever find. It's placed where it should be, it's worth the editor's consideration. Comes with a super powerful motor, the car has a speed of 32 miles per hour which lets you experience the most smooth and realistic driving. Since it is a four-wheeler RC car, it is much easier to handle than two-wheeler RC car. The model is an electric-powered car so you don't have to worry about the cost and hassle of buying fuel to play with the car. The car comes with a huge frequency of 2.4 GHz. The frequency is higher than some other RC cars that come with radio technology, and that's what it makes the vehicle stands out from the competition. Powerful. Amazingly fast. Easy to assemble and disassemble. Number 2, Hozim Spirit 110. A great deal, in fact, it is a steal with a price tag of less than $100. Here we have the 1/10 version, which isn't only a bigger and new model than the above featured Hozim Spirit, but it also comes with some massive improvements. There won't be any confusion if you call it an affordable beast. Yes, Hozim is indeed the biggest, 1/10 scale, RC car under $100 available in the market. We will say the price tag is worth it because there isn't much similarly priced RC car that comes with such heavy power and specifications. In short, it is a device with plenty of power. 1:10 scale big size. Super fast monster truck. Able to be played in both an on-road and off-road environment. Number 3, Hiboxing 12815 and 1/12. The third place goes to Hiboxing's 12815 and 1/12 RC car. It perfectly fits under the list of $100. The beast offers an array of beginner-friendly features enough to impress you. You better believe it, that this model is probably the best all-rounding remote-controlled car that comes with outstanding value for money. The Hiboxing 12815 and 1/12 is a 4WD drive that provides a premium driving experience. The car comes with two names, stated the product with Hiboxing 12815 and 1/12, but it proudly displays the name protector. The beast is packed with aluminum capped oil dampers, modular chassis, and metal gear differentials that make it stands out from the competition. Crazy fast. Can ride over smaller rocks comfortably, angle correctly, and can ramp up sidewalks. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 4, Double E Monster Truck 4WD. Here comes another stable and robust 4WD that features rear and front motors, so you can rely on it, as this rock crawler gives an incredible off-road performance. The RC car is fitted with some seriously strong torques which allow the vehicle to smoothly work on every kind of surface/terrain. The car is lying on the 1/12 scale. Since the car is outfitted with strong independent suspension systems, so the car prevents all type of damages which can caused by vibrations. The stability of a car across every terrain of surfaces is increased with the help of high-end torque produced by the powerful motors in these RC cars. Ergonomic steering. Shockproof. Anti-skid tires. Number 5, Bezgar Truck. Did someone say solid design and excellent performance at low prices? Well, here it is, another strong-looking RC car made by Bezgar. It's so cheap that it doesn't even have a marketed name, so it's only known by its original name, which is Bezgar Truck. If we talk about the outlook of the car is in black and yellow theme, and the bright LED lights give a sports look and locate on the front bumpers of the vehicle. The tires are made up of rubber, Anti-skid material that is oversized and provides a tight grip that allows that RC car to stay stable on any type of surface. Besides, the car has a sturdy chassis and decent canopy, which is quite durable and holds on well until the first full-speed crash happens against the concrete wall. Convenient and safe to use. Give a realistic car racing experience. Crafted in a highly durable construction. Number 6, GP Toys RC Truck. GP Toys has been in the business for a long time and one of the leading producers of remote-controlled cars. Their new bad boy off-road RC truck looks won't be natural to displace anytime soon. This four-wheeler truck is fitted with independent suspension springs that provide premium performance. The control range of this car is up to almost 200 feet, which is hard to expect in this budget-friendly rate. If you want your truck to look different in the race, then this car is for you, because it comes with a set of racing stickers that helps you in cool customizations. Apart from that, the vehicle has some high-powered motor under the hood which enables to reach you the speed of 16 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars on the RC list. This model allows you to have incredible control in the car, fitted with the next generation receiver with an excellent response rate that won't let stay back in the race. You, yourself will be surprised when you came to know the wild stunts the car can perform. Its low friction allows you a stunning hold on both on and off the road. Decent speed. Splash proof. High performance. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 7, J-Pod Imden RC car with 4 batteries. This zippy J-Pod Imden RC car can reach a good speed or different types of surfaces like dirt, grass, or pavement. The car strikes a perfect balance between being speedy to win the race and being too much quick that it becomes difficult to control. No assembling of the vehicle is required, as it comes fully assembled. The good thing is the car comes with 4 batteries 2 by 3.6 volts with a battery life of 700 mAh that can be played for approximately 30 minutes each. It takes around 90 minutes to charge the battery, while 2 by 1.AA batteries are for a transmitter. The remote control features a strong rear torque motor and sensitive steering that allows proper handling with a high response rate. Featuring shock absorptions, wide rubber tires, crash-proof bumpers make it a real deal for driving on any terrain. Long battery life. High speed. Decent design. Number 8, Maisto RC Rock Crawler Vehicle. Looking for inexpensive off-road RC cars? It isn't easy to find an RC car that performs well on rough terrain. But the Maestro Rock Crawler RC car is an exception to this. Being an off-road truck, it features large tires, fitted with strong suspension and four-wheel drive. The tires are soft enough to hold onto the road surfaces, and the car is perfect for rock crawling, logs, or whatever you come across. The suspension of cars is built with soft springs and solid axle, which means that you got a significant amount of articulation out of your suspension, and fewer chances of the vehicle to flip over uneven terrain. It's about half the price, but note that the battery isn't rechargeable. Unfortunately, the car doesn't come with batteries. It requires 6 AA batteries and 2 AAA batteries for remote control. Effective for off-road. Strong suspensions. So these are the best RC cars under $100, which you can buy in this year. If you know any other RC cars under $100, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.